Today's topic is the role of newspaper in modern life. Newspaper is a printed paper which carries news to us. It brings news and views from all corners of the world. It contains news about politics, economics, cultural, literature, education, treatment, games and sports, etc. It reflects public opinion. It makes us aware of our surroundings and our society. Newspaper is a powerful means of mass communication. It is also a good source of knowledge and information. It is found all over the world. Every morning we eagerly wait for the newspaper to come. It is a very important part of our life. We cannot think of modern life without that newspaper. Newspaper is the present time, makes us familiar with the current events of our nation. It also brings news of the world and the news of the masses to us. It keeps the people aware of the activities of the government. It mobilizes public opinion. It comments and criticizes the laws and working of the government's affairs. It also suggests important admittance and opinion. Different people read newspaper for different purpose. Young graduates scan the job advertisement pages. The schoolboy looks about the detailed happenings in games and sport. Businessmen go throughout the business news. Housewives looks for the opinion topic and the cookery, health and beauty care tips, etc. There are others who are interested in article and the letter to the editor. Those who love the glamour world read the pages of fashion, movies and film star. Newspaper focus on social, political events prevailing in the society. Some of the evils are unsociability, dowry, drug addiction, etc. Newspaper can exhort the people to root out those evils. In fact that the role of newspaper is our life can be any rate. It is the effect of newspaper that we came to know about the world, so its role in modern life can be ignored at any risk. The summer in Bangladesh. Varieties of seasons have made Bangladesh beautiful. There are 6 seasons in our country, and summer is the first season that lasts from Boishakh to Jyeshtha. It is the hottest and tiring season. It is harm to man and animal plant. It sometimes blows away trees and houses and sometimes causes death to man and animals. During this season, the earth comes near to the sun and gets heat and light. The day becomes longer than the night. As a result, the earth becomes so hot that man cannot bear the heat. The river, pond, canals and pools dry up. People sweat and get tired and thrust out of exhaust heat. Sometimes strong north and east storm blows away trees and roofs of our house. Sometimes it causes death to many people and animals. So it is called Kal Boishakhi. The summer is the season of fruit and flowers. Mangoes, jackfruits, blackberries, lychees, melons and many other juicy fruits grow in the season. Various kind of flower are bloom in this season. In this season, people suffer from many diseases like water disease, cholera, smallpox, measles break out. In addition to those, man, animals and plants fall off a victim to storm and cyclones. Sometimes drought destroy crops. Despite its negative aspects, this season makes soil soft for easy cultivation. It gives us plenty of fruits and flowers. The rainy season in Bangladesh. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. Each season consists of 2 months. We hear new sounds and enjoy new scenes in each season. We forget monotony of life and start our daily work anew. The rainy season is one of the 6 seasons. The seasons comes after the summer. Ashar and Sawan are the most of rainy season. In fact, there rain sets in our country in the middle of June and the last up to the middle of September. People welcome the rainy season heartily. The sun shines hotly in the summer. Ponds, lakes and canals get dry. There is scarcity of water. People want to get rain, and the rain sets in at last. People live a sight of relief. In the rainy season, the sky is overcast with deep black cloud. The sun can hardly be seen. The rivers are full to the brim. The earth and the roads are wet and muddy. People cannot move easily. Bangladesh is mainly an agriculture country. Our economic and prosperity depends on agriculture. Again, our agriculture depends on the mercy of nature, that is rain. If there is sufficient rain, the joys of the farmers knows no bound. They plough their land and sow seeds in time. Our farmer cannot reap a good harvest if it does not rain in time. Without rain, water, jute and party cannot grow. Without rainwater, our agriculture is lifeless. Rainwater washes away the filth and clear the atmosphere. Our poets are fond of this season. There are no unmixed blessing on our world. The rainy season has some demerits too. Sometimes it rains heavy for 2 or 3 days together. As a result, the rivers overflow their banks and cause flood, and which brings us about untold sorrows, sufferings and miseries. There is water everywhere. Roads become muddy due to increased rain. People cannot go out. Normal causes of life is stopped. People are not use umbrella. People are used umbrella and moved by boat. Students cannot go to school and college. Different diseases like malaria, diarrhea, dysentery break out in the epidemic form and carry away heavy tolls of the human life. For occasional flood, the life of poor and the working class became difficult. Snakes also come out in this season, bite people and cause death. The rainy season is the most important and useful of all the seasons in our country. Agriculture, which is the lifeblood of our economy, depends on this season. We live in a well of time. A proverb goes that time and tide wait for none. Since the dawn of civilization, time is moving. It goes on and on. It does not take any rest. It is never constant. Time once gone is gone forever. Lost health may be regained by medical and proper caring and nursing. Lost wealth by dint of hard labor and lost time cannot be recovered by many means, because nobody can stop onward march on time. Life is another, but the sum of some moments. The span of human life is very short, but man has got many things to do during this limited period. Every moment is precious. Success in life depends on the Best use of life. If we make a proper division of our time and do our duties depends on the best use of time. If we make proper division of our time and do our duties accordingly, we are sure that we would be able to march in life and reach the cherished goal of our life. Our effects will be crowned with success. If we do not make the right use of time, we are sure to repent when it's too late, and we will have to drag a miserable existence in our day-to-day life. Ideal brain is a devil workshop. If we waste our time in sheer idleness, all sorts of evil thoughts will crowd our brain. Idle person will kill their time are burden to society. They sit idle and cherish no high idea and low ambition in life. They can support themselves. They lead an unhappy life and suffer in long run. There should be time for reading or for office or other work. Time is for physical exercise, time for recreation, and time for prayer. This indicates that we should do everything at the right moment. We can lead a happy and prosperous life only when we follow the routine which we make for our guidelines. By turning the page of history, we came to learn that those who become great in the world have made the proper use of their time. Even we see that bees, ants, insects work timely. They do not kill a single moment. We are the supreme creation of Allah, so we should not waste our time. The most prosperous nations are those that make the best use of time. Life is nothing but the total of some moments. The span of human life is very short, but man has got many things to do during this period. Every moment is very precious such in the dependence on the use of best use of time. If we make proper division of our life and do our duties accordingly, we are sure that we would be able to march in life and reach the goal of our life. Our effects will be crowned with success. If we do not make the right use of our time, we can sure to repent when it is too late, and we will have to drag a miserable existence in our day-to-day life. Ideal brain is a devil workshop. If we waste our time in sheer idleness, all sorts of evil thoughts will crowd our brain. The ideal person will kill their time or burden to society. They sit idle and cherish. There is no high ideal and lofty no ambition in life. They cannot support themselves. They lead an unhappy life and suffers in the long run. There should be time for reading, for office or other work, and time for physical exercise, time for recreation, and time for prayer. It is the area of typical monsoon, midwinter, hot, humid, and summer, March to June. Humid, warm, rainy monsoon, June to October. In general, highest summer temperature range between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and April is the warmest month. January is the coldest month, when average temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. There is a 6 seasons: summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, and spring. For practical purpose, three seasons are distinguished as summer, rainy, and winter. Bangladesh is subject to devastating cyclone Orgina operating over the Bay of Bengal. in the period of April to May and September to November. Floods also. Hello everyone. Today's topic is topography. Topography is a configuration of a land surface. There are three typical natural features in Bangladesh: wood, delatic land subject to